Gang, gang, gang. Wow, yeah. Good day, everyone. And you know what? We have an addition in the house. Yes, that's why you're not be seeing me all this while. Yes. So, do you intend to upscale your fashion business revenue from the realms of thousands to hundreds of thousands and millions of dollars? Has it ever crossed your mind that the fashion industry can actually land you in the realm of millions of inflow through its fast growing products of RTW that's ready to wear? And let me bust your bubbles. Could you believe that the one time iconic richest man of the world named Bernard Amal is a fashion business owner, currently the chairman CEO of LVMH? And would you believe that the global revenue of the apparel industry is actually expected to rise up to the tune of $1.9 trillion thereabout by the year 2027? Okay, now, come on now. So, I'm inviting you to come aboard so as to get your own fair share of this upcoming boom in the fashion industry by registering for our 2-day seminar on all you need to start and run a successful and sustainable RTW brand. And the July version is going to be coming up on the 28th and 29th of July 2023. So don't be left out. Kindly reach out to us on the numbers showing below. Remember, we have limited slots. And for those of you that want to be joining our private mentorship section, we have the 1 month, 2 month, 3 month. Just reach out to us on the numbers showing below and you'll be well guided. Yes, yes. Catch you at the top. Catch you. Love you. Bye-bye.